Hello, this is a very short video explaining you what kind of log data is necessary in order to trigger a support ticket at panagenda. So basically we distinguish between log information, log data from the virtual appliance. So if you log in OfficeExpert, you have your settings and download logs. So if you hit the button, then he will automatically download the log zip file from the virtual appliance. It can take couple of seconds or even a minute, depending on how much data is available in the log. But this is, for instance, one element which we need to have available in our support. And the same stuff we have, or similar stuff we have on the bot level. So here we are prompted now to store the zip file. On the bot level, you will find in the logs subfolder of OfficeExpert, you will find the OfficeExpert log as well an archive subfolder. So the easiest way would be just to make a zip file of the complete logs folder and to share it with the support technician at panagenda. So this log data is necessary for troubleshooting the simulation bot level, whereas the other one is used for troubleshooting any virtual appliance or server component stuff of OfficeExpert. So if you provide those two log stuff with the support technician at panagenda, then we are capable of troubleshooting the case pretty simple. Thank you.